Tiburón Island is the largest island in the Gulf of California and the largest island in Mexico, with an area of 464 square miles. It was made a nature reserve in 1963 by President Adolfo López Mateos. Tiburón is Spanish for shark. Although the Seri name was first recorded by Alphonse Pinart in 1879, its etymology is unknown. Tiburón Island is part of the state of Sonora, as well as the municipality of Hermosillo, and is located at approximately the same latitude as the city of Hermosillo. It is located along the eastern shore of the Gulf of California, opposite Isla Angel de la Garda. It is part of the chain of islands known as the Midriff Islands or Islas Grandes. Tiburón Island is part of the traditional homeland of some bands of the Seri people, probably for many centuries if not millennia. During the 1960s and early 1970s, a small hunting and fishing camp on the northern end of the island was operated by Jesus Olivas, a resident of Hermosillo. He constructed several buildings, a dock and an airstrip near the historic Seri encampment at Tecumate. The camp was popular with American visitors to the area. The remains of the structures and airstrip are still in place. In 1975, the Mexican government, through a decree by President Echeverria, gave the Seris recognition and title of communal property with respect to Tiburón Island. The island is uninhabited and is administered as an ecological preserve by the Seri tribal government in conjunction with the federal government. Bighorn sheep were introduced to the island in the 1980s. Hunting is managed by the tribal government in coordination with Mexican federal authorities. It is also home to a subspecies of coyote that is found nowhere but the island. The island can be reached from Punta Tueca, which is the nearest community inhabited by members of the Seri tribe, and from Bahia de Quino, a community 34 kilometers to the south. The distance from Punta Tueca to Punta Tormenta, the nearest point on the island, is 3 kilometers. The channel between the mainland and the island is called Canal del Infierno, because of the strong tidal currents and shale water that occur there, which can make navigation challenging. The island has a prominent mountain system of volcanic origin. 2 permits are required for day hiking and overnight stays on the island, one from the Seri governor's office in Punta Tueca and another from the Isla's office in Bahia de Quino. In 2012, a television episode of Survivor Man 10 Days was filmed on Tiburón Island.